Hello, and welcome to Glofox. We're so excited to have you on board. You've just logged into your dashboard for the first time, and you've probably noticed that it's quite empty. Don't worry, we're going to teach you everything you need to do to set up Glofox for your business. Here is a quick tour to show you what you can expect to learn as you watch and complete our training videos. We're now in the Glofox dashboard. This demo account has been populated with classes, members, and lots more to show you what your account will look like when you're all set up. In our training, we'll show you how to populate your dashboard with everything you need to run your business. Right now, like I said, we're on the dashboard, and you can see it's nice and full. We'll spend more time here on a later video. For now, let's go to the Manage tab. As you can see, there are lots of tabs here which you can use to input your business information. There's a recommended order to setting up your Glofox account once you've set up your payment processor. The first thing you'll learn how to do is to set up your facilities, your staff, and your memberships. Then you'll learn how to create your classes, courses, and personal training appointments. Finally, you'll see your own dashboard come into life when creating test clients and adjusting your settings. You'll see a full calendar and you'll be ready for the more advanced features. But first, you'll need to set up your payment processor. This is the first and most important thing that you need to set up before you get on with everything else. The next videos are going to show you where and how to set this up. See you there.